If you're looking for Skype therapy for help with anxiety or depression or any other emotional problem that can benefit from psychotherapy, then I do encourage you to look at my website and learn more about the online therapy service that I provide over Skype. Skype is a very effective way of connecting clients and therapists together. You can see each other, and this makes the therapy sessions as good as being in person for the vast majority of people. Skype therapy is designed to help you learn more effective methods of working with your mind. It is designed to teach you how to work with your emotions and with your thoughts, such that you don't become overwhelmed by them, that you don't become controlled by emotional and cognitive reactivity. And the particular style of psychotherapy that I offer online is called Mindfulness Therapy. This has proved to be incredibly effective for treating anxiety and depression because it focuses very much on learning how to break free from those reactive habits whereby we become lost in our reactive thinking or emotional reactivity. It allows you to break free from those habits and then effectively heal the underlying emotional suffering by developing a non-reactive relationship with your emotions and also with your thoughts. Developing this conscious and non-reactive and non-habitual relationship with your emotions and thoughts is critical for change. This is how you are able to start the process of healing. Healing is really a function of how well you can stay conscious with your emotional pain. That our habit is to become reactive. We essentially lose consciousness and we become overwhelmed by our emotional pain. So learning how to break this habit is absolutely essential for any kind of meaningful psychotherapy. For mindfulness therapy, this is our primary focus. We start this in session 1 and we develop it each week until you achieve that freedom. The effects are quite dramatic, and most clients that I work with see quite substantial changes within 3 to 4 sessions. And this is what you should be aiming for. Psychotherapy is not meant to be endless. It's meant to be very focused and give you the tools that you need to better manage your mind. And in mindfulness therapy, this is a very important principle. We want to produce results quickly. And as I say, most clients see quite big changes within the first few sessions. So after establishing a non-reactive and mindful relationship with your emotions and with intrusive thoughts, you then proceed to help these emotions heal. And we do this by developing a very compassionate relationship as well as a very conscious relationship with those emotions. This is necessary to help them heal. We learn how to interact with our emotions in a way that promotes healing and not further reactivity. The best example that explains what this means is to look at the relationship between a parent and a child. If a parent becomes reactive and lost in their own reactivity, then they cannot help the child heal if the child is suffering. For that to occur, the parent must be free from reactivity. He or she must be able to form a conscious and compassionate and loving relationship with their child in order to affect healing and help the child overcome its own suffering. This relationship is exactly what we must cultivate internally in relationship to our emotions and also thoughts. We must build a relationship that is not only conscious but also based on compassion, friendliness, and even love. We must learn to develop a friendly relationship towards our anxiety or depression or sadness or guilt or shame. Whatever it is, we must build that quality of relationship with it if it is to heal. If we simply react with avoidance and aversion or resistance or suppression, then the emotions cannot heal. So developing the right kind of relationship with our mind is quite essential. I will teach you exactly how to do this using mindfulness. And in the first few sessions, you will rapidly learn how to change the way that you relate to your emotions, to your thoughts, and also to your memories if you are suffering from traumatic memories. There are many other things that we can do during mindfulness therapy sessions. Another big area to look at is the imagery of the emotions. This is really quite important. So all emotions are based around imagery, how you see the emotion or thoughts in the mind determines the intensity of the emotion itself. Seeing this imagery is very important because it allows you to change the imagery, and when you change that imagery of a painful emotion, you help it heal. So we work at these two levels, developing the right kind of relationship with your emotions and thoughts, and then looking at the imagery of your emotions and thoughts and helping that imagery change and heal. So if you'd like to learn more, please reach out to me by email and let's schedule a trial Skype therapy session so you can see for yourself just how effective this approach is for healing and recovering from quite severe anxiety and depression. Thank you.